Well, hi guys. This is kind of for Soy Bean Farmer. Last video he talked about taking the Ford out and doing some disking with it, and thought somebody was burning leaves, and come to find out he had a bird's nest on his tractor. Well, guess what? I come up today and went to start mine up. Yep, me too. It never fails. Had to get something to clean that one off. I don't normally like to just start them up and let them run, but today is one of those weird days. It's 74 degrees right now in southwest Ohio. But of course, we got severe thunderstorm warnings and possible tornado watches out. And we're supposed to get some real nasty weather move in about 5-6 o'clock into midnight. So figured while it was warm, I'd go ahead and fire it up for the first time this year. I hate that she's sitting here, but it is what it is. You can kind of see over there, the tree is getting cut up. But Soy Bean Farmer, I thought you would enjoy this. You're not the only one with that problem. It's kind of a universal thing for us anymore. Whoops. What do you think about it, Dad?
I think it needs to dry up.
Yeah. Been spending the last couple of days getting everything kind of cleaned up and ready to put cab back on. Debating on putting my fuel tank up in first, but that'd make getting to the bolt or the nut on the bottom a little bit difficult. So I'm thinking about that one. And I've been noticing I had oil leak right there, and pulled that apart and found out the O-ring is gone. So we put a new O-ring on it, put some pressure down on it, and tightened the bolt. But it's like I said about this building, that is all condensation. Everything in this building is wet. That's water. Toolbox, the tools in it are all wet. You know, so it's a, well, it's a battle to keep rust off stuff in this building. But at any rate, guys, just a short one for today. It's Tuesday the 3rd of April. And Pop decided he'd come over and check out the barn today and enjoy it. But if it ever gets good weather to do it, we'll be putting the cab back on. But I kind of got to get a day where it's decent to do something and my help lined up to help me do it. These clouds is a flat moving on. What, you got happy feet? Turkey? At any rate, guys, I'm going to get off here. Just a short one. Videos will be coming. It's just I think I screwed up my software, and I gotta wait till Thursday. My sister's coming over and going to help me try to figure out what I did. Because I goofed something up. Because the last video I made to put up, got it all done, previewed it, and I was one of the chipmunks. Somehow or another I speeded it up, and I have no idea how I did it. So, got to get that fixed. But at any rate, guys, as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And I think we're going to call it a day, because I do believe the weather is getting very close to us now. So we'll see you next time, guys. And as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Say bye, Dad.
Bye.
See you next time, guys. Gee, I think it might be getting ready to rain over that way. We got tornado watches and severe thunderstorm warnings out for tonight and everything else. That could get interesting around here, I guess. To wait and see. We'll see you next time, guys.